Hello friends. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'll share with you one more home remedy for insomnia, the disturbed sleep. Actually, sleep is one of the most primary need of us as it enables the body to recharge and maintain our overall health and energy. Because of stress and tension, our quality of sleep can be disturbed. Sleep is one of the most essential and required comfort that everyone must receive. Who experience lack or disturbed sleep often suffer from many health issues, including chronic diseases. Because of lack or disturbed sleep, one can face many problems in day-to-day professional and personal life also. Before starting the remedy, I would like to request you, if you like my remedies, please like, share and subscribe my channel. As per Ayurveda, there are 3 doshas in our body. All 3 doshas must be balanced. 1. Kapha dosha. During this period the sleep is generally heavy and joyful, with long hours of uninterrupted sleep. 2. Pitta dosha. This stage comes with a light sleep pattern, which gives you fewer interruptions in the sleep. 3. Vata stage. This will experiences very limited deep sleep, with more interrupted sleep. All thanks to Ayurveda. Ayurveda has a solution for all this. Now I'll share with you the Ayurvedic tips for good night sleep or insomnia. 1. Early dinner. Ayurveda suggests to have a proper and heavy breakfast. It must be like a king. Lunch can be also heavy. Eat a satisfying yet healthy lunch but not too heavy. And a light dinner. It should be like a poor. It's preferable take dinner around sunset, which will allow at least 1 or 2 hours for digestion before sleep, so you will get peaceful sleep. 2. Massage your temples with pure cow's ghee. As per Ayurveda, the temples area in between the forehead and the ear should be massaged with pure cow's ghee. Take 2 to 3 drops of pure cow's ghee. Apply it on your temples and massage it for 5 to 10 minutes in circular direction. Ghee is considered one of the best substances for massage. It's cooling and calming to the system, as it helps to nourish the brain and the nervous system and helping to get sound sleep. Massaging the temples and navel with pure cow's ghee before hitting the bed helps you to balance the water by countering its dry properties and ease up or the crease pitta because it's cool and sweet. 3. Practice Pranayama. Anulom Vilom Pranayama, Udgit Pranayama and Brahmari Pranayama will help you to get better sleep. If it practiced in the right way, one can get sleep because it helps you to relax the entire body. 4. The poppy seeds milk, which I have explained in my video. Please watch this video first for complete details. The 1 glass warm poppy seeds milk before hitting the bed will help to relax the body and get a good sleep. Try these remedies and get better sleep. And don't forget to share your experiences in comment section. Thank you friends. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you in next video.